Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prakhar Kumar, and today I'm going to solve another LeetCode problem. So the problem is backspace string compare. So two strings are given S and T. We will be returning true if they are equal when both are typed into the empty text editors. And here has missed the backspace character. So what does it mean? So it means that there are two strings given as S and T. S is given as AB has C and T is given as AD has C. So hash is a backspace character. So backspace character will delete the preceding element. Okay. So after applying this backspace condition here, so string S will become AC because it will remove B, and string T will become AC because it will remove D. So both the strings are equal, so it will return true. Similar example here we can see that S equal to AB has S and T equal to C has DS. So one hash will remove B and one hash will remove S. So S will become an empty string. And for T, one hash will remove C and one hash will remove D. So it will become an empty string. So both the strings are equal, so they will return true. Okay. So the third example is S equal to A has C and T equal to B. Okay, so here we can see that T is doesn't contains any hash character, and S string contains one hash. So one hash will remove A. So S will become C and T has B. So B and C are not equal. So it will return as false. So we will solve this problem by using the concept of a stack. Until we are not getting the hash element, we are putting the values of the string into the stack. Once we will get the hash element, we will pop the element. Okay, and after that we will return the value to the function and it will compare. Okay, and after comparing, if both the strings are same, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So here the function is defined backspace compare. So how you can solve? Here we will return check of S, okay, equal to check of T. So what does it will do? It will compare both the strings. If the strings are equal, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. So now we will define the another function which will be check. Okay. Wait. Here check. Okay. So now we will be defining the other function. So the other function will be such a define of check, and we will pass the parameter as A. Okay, and here we have passed the parameter A. Okay, then in the place of A, string S will be given or string T will be given, and then it will be compared. Okay, then we will create a stack variable. So it's an array, and in a stack array we will be pushing the elements one by one. If it's not equal to the hash. Okay, so we will start the loop for I in A. Okay, if I is not equal to hash, so here hash is there. So if I is not equal to hash, then stack dot append I. Okay, so suppose string is given as A, B, C. Okay, and here the hash is not there. So in stack A will be gone, B will be gone, C will be gone. So like that it will work. So for suppose here's an example, we can see that A, B has C. So this condition will not work. So A, B, and if I had gone to hash, so it will terminate from here. So in the stack only A, B will be written. Okay. Now elif condition will be applied. Elif I equal to hash. If we are getting the hash element, then and the length of stack must not be equal to the 0. Length of stack must not be equal to a 0. Then it will sorry for this. Then it will be pop. Okay. So stack dot pop, and we will return the stack. Return a stack. Indentation problem is there. Yes. Let's run this code. Yes, it has accepted the code. So this is the solution for this problem. So let's submit this code and it will accept. So yeah, it has accepted the code. So that was the easy solution for this problem. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and please share with all your friends so that they can also study coding, and it is very beneficial for their career. Thank you.